Here are top 5 loan apps in Nigeria and their interest rates. There are some business opportunity for growth sometimes come knocking on your door, and you may not have that cash flow to support a large investment. This is where some business owners will choose to finance their growth opportunity. I will be discussing with you how to ensure you are getting the right finances for your business, because as the saying goes, it takes money to make money. Before we dive in, here are 5 important reasons to take a loan from this loan app. Number 1, to expand your business operations. Number 2, to purchase inventories. Number 3, to procure equipment for your business. Yes. Number 4, to increase working capital. Number 5, to hire more talent. Without further ado, let's start. The first loan app here is palmcredit. This platform have provided a quick loan for up to 300,000 naira in less than 3 minutes without any form of collateral. You can borrow between 10 to 300,000 quick loan, and if your documentation is complete and accurate, you can get your disbursement within a business day. And the platform, as the platform claims, the annual percentage rate on this platform range from 24% to 56%. For example, if you choose a 6-month loan and borrow 100,000 naira, bank credit will charge an interest rate of 4% per month. The interest rate for the 6 months will be 24,000 naira. Hence, the total repayment will be 124,000 naira. The second app here is Cash. This app offers loan ranging from 3,000 naira to 500,000 naira, and the repayment plan range from 91 days to 365 days. The companies range from 0.1% to 1%. However, Cash interest rate is calculated on a daily basis, which amounts to an annual percentage rate of between 36.5% to 360%. The Cash app has been downloaded over 5 million times on Play Store. The third one we have here is Quick Check. Quick Check is a quick loan app that uses machine learning to predict borrowers' behavior and instantly evaluate loan application. This app is among the top loan apps in Nigeria that have crossed 1 million downloads. Quick Check loan has interest rates starting from as low as 5% monthly on their first loan. Loans range from 1,500 naira to 500,000 naira with terms from 91 days to 1 year. Interest ranges from 2% to 30% with equivalent monthly interest rate of 1 to 21%. The fourth app in our list here is New Credit. New Credit is another instant loan app in Nigeria that has crossed 1 million downloads. The personal loan app gives Nigeria collateral free loans of up to 300,000 naira. This app uses artificial intelligence to analyze prospective customers' financial records, include the bank transaction, SMS, and other phones, and their credit worthiness from other lenders. These app loans amounts range from 10,000 naira to 300,000 naira with repayment from 91 days to 365 days. The company charges a monthly interest rate of 4%. The fifth one we have here is Easy Money. Easy Money prides itself as a secure, reliable, and online loan app in Nigeria with over 1 million downloads. This app gives out instant loan ranging from 1,000 to 100,000 naira with a tenure of 91 to 180 days. Aside from 14% annual percentage rate on its loan, Easy Money said it charges one-time process fee per transaction at a minimum of 5% and a maximum of 20%. Okay guys, one thing about this loan app is that once you register for loan on any of these apps, you are surrendering your contact list privacy to them, and this is used if you default in repaying. The watchword in dealing and checkmating with these loan apps are do not own them. Before you get loan, make sure you have a good business plan to repay back. Okay guys, having reached to this end of this video, do not forget to like and share this video because it will make this video to grow viral, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel down below because it will help to reach to the right audience seeking for the right loan app to get money to start their business. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.